Guys, this is another goods from Migros kitchens. The name is the Pasoire the Colino Perte. This is a filter if you are for water or something, like you filter for your coffee, and this is quite good. The filter is quite small, so will be better if you use something like for tea or also for flour. This is still good, but maybe if there is some kind of tea that have very small particle that cannot use this and will be go down, but this is quite good for you for the general purpose of your kitchen. And this is also cheap, less than 5 Swiss franc, or maybe only 4 Swiss franc something, I forgot. And yeah, it is quite useful if you are cooking, for any cooking unit. Guys, I hope this quick review useful for you. Don't hesitate to buy. This is so good. Thank you. See you. Bye.